Come on, let's go. We're gonna be late.
Late to what?
BLU.
What's that?
Building leadership and understanding.
Oh, that's where they're talking about the art of leadership.
Yes, that and so much more. Let's go before we miss out.
Perfect, then I can get the final skills to finish my leadership masterpiece.
Are you ready to unleash your potential as an artist in leadership? Join us for the exciting 4-H Building Leadership and Understanding workshop this February. Explore the powerful connection between art and mental health with our service team at Creative Stations designed to support local causes. Engage in hands-on activities that inspire your creativity, reflect on your own self, and make a positive impact. Whether you're interested in learning leadership skills, community service, or just want to make some new friends, this workshop is just the thing for you. Participate in hands-on activities, learn from inspiring leaders, and gain confidence to make the best better. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to learn about breaking stereotypes and looking at situations differently. Sign up today and take the first step toward becoming the leader you're meant to be. Join us at the Building Leadership and Understanding workshop and start your journey with the art of leadership. We hope to see you there.